Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating variables. Unplug all non-essential USB, Thunderbolt, and external drives so you test the core system. Once done, boot into safe mode to load minimal drivers. Use Shift on Intel Macs or hold power on Apple Silicon until options appear. Make sure to confirm or create a time machine or clone backup. You will make system-level changes and need a recoverable snapshot. This prevents data loss and simplifies later restores if fixes require reinstalling Mac OS or wiping settings. Next, verify file system health. Open Disk Utility and run first aid on your startup volume and any app's containers. File system corruption often triggers restarts. Then review console crash reports and kernel panic logs to identify a culprit process, kext, or hardware identifier. Repeat names point to the source. After that, update Mac OS and firmware, because many panics are fixed by patches. If you spot a third-party kernel extension or driver added recently, uninstall it. Once removed, reboot normally to test. If the problem continues, reinstall Mac OS from recovery to replace system files while keeping your data. This resolves corrupted system components. Once the reinstall finishes, create a fresh administrator account and log into it. This isolates user-specific preferences and login items that can trigger crashes. If restarts still occur, gather kernel panic logs from /library/logs/diagnostic reports and the console app. Then contact Apple support or the developer of any flagged kexts. Provide logs so they can reproduce and fix the bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.